Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson we're going to look at mathematics paper 1 2023 on a question of bearings which was question 15. So the question, when you look at this, is the question that we are looking at. So the question was saying the diagram shows 3 points P, Q, and R on level ground. The bearing of Q from P is 100 degrees. The bearing of R from Q is 150 degrees. And the PQ is equals to QR. So now the question was saying find angle QP R. So the angle that they needed, it was the angle which is here inside. So you can see these are isosceles triangles. Isosceles, when they are like this, that means the angle which is here, so the angle which will be here. So now the question is saying find the angle which is here. So for us to find the angle which is here, we're going to say we know that according to rules of bearing, the angle which is here and the angle which is here is always, as long as they are like this, the north, the angle which is here is also the angle which is here, they add up to 180. So A plus B is always equals to 180. So if here they have given you 100, that means here there will be 80 degrees. So here there will be what? 80 degrees. So now, since we have found the angle which is here is 80 degrees, and we know that from here to here there's 80 and here there's what? 150. So since here there's 80 and here there's 150, and we know a full circle adds up to we know that a full circle adds up to 360. If here there's 80 and 150, we have to find the angle which is inside here, which is here. So we're going to say 80 plus 150 to give you 210. We are going to say 360, or it will give you, it's going to give you 230. It will give you 230. So now for us to know the angle which is here, we are going to say 360 minus 230 to give you the angle which is here. It will be 130. So that means here inside there will be 130. So now for us to find out the angle which is here and here, since we know that the angle which is here is also the angle which is here, for us to find the two sides, the angles of the two sides, we are going to say 180 minus 130. It will give us from 180, when you subtract when you say 180 minus 130, to give you, it's going to give you 50. It will give you 50. So we know that the total triangle has to give you up to 180. So for us to find the angle which is here, we are going to divide by 2. 50 divided by 2, because the angle which is here and here, they are equal. So if that means here there is 25, and also here there's what? 25. So we're going to, it can even improve 25 plus 25 plus 130 to give you again 180. So angle QPR is equals to 25 degrees. Then the question was saying find the bearing of P from R. That means you move from R, you go to P. So where they are saying from, that's why you're going to make a north. You make a north like this, and the south. If you want, you can just make a north. So say you must always make a north and the south. That means you start from the north. You say you are going at the north here. That's where there's a point R. So that means you are going to move like this. You move like this. You go to P. So this is the bearing they want you to find. This bearing. What is this angle? We know that this angle, it is this shape, this half circle, it is 180. We already know that here there's 180. So the angle that we need to find, it is this angle, which is A. So we're going to add this angle plus 180. That's how we're going to find the answer. And for us to find the answer, this answer is here. We're going to say, we already know that inside here there's 25. We are going to just find this angle, which is here. Like I said, the angle which is here plus here to give you 180. Here there is a north. So that means here there is 150. So we say the angle which is here and here, it will give you 180. If here there is 150, that means you're going to say 180 minus 150 will give you 30 degrees. Here there is 30 degrees. So we have known that the angle which is here from here to here, here there's 30, here there's 25. That means here there is 55. So for us to know this angle, we need to just say 360 minus 55. So when you say 360 minus 55, you move 1 here, 5. So you add 1 here to be 5, 0, 305. So the answer that you have to find, so the bearing of P from R is 305 degrees. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The Hunza Graduate is where learning never stops. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video.